Imagine a future where businesses instantly know their most valuable customers before they even step in the door. A future powered by AI, where data-driven decisions take customer relationships to new heights. AI is transforming how businesses identify their best customers. From analyzing buying behaviors to predicting future actions, it uses a wealth of data to create precise customer profiles. By leveraging predictive analytics, AI can forecast which customers will bring the highest lifetime value. It examines trends across thousands of data points, such as purchasing history, engagement levels, and even social sentiment, to reveal your high-value customers. AI's ability to identify top customers is just the beginning. It can tailor personalized offers at scale, ensuring that your marketing hits the right targets with precision. In the future, AI will go beyond just identifying your best customers. It will evolve to predict potential brand advocates, allowing businesses to nurture and develop long-term relationships that drive loyalty and growth. Integrating AI into your CRM and marketing platforms will allow real-time customer insights and predictive modeling. With AI, you're not just reacting to customer needs, you're anticipating them. The future is clear. Businesses that embrace AI today will lead tomorrow by identifying, engaging, and rewarding their best customers in ways that only AI can deliver. Are you ready to unlock your future with AI? Start your AI journey now and transform how you connect with your best customers.